Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're Bev and Ryan, and we share honest hotel and resort tours to help you plan your next getaway. Today, we're taking you inside Azalea Hotels and Residences Boracay. If you're planning a trip to this world-famous island with family or a big group of friends, finding a place that fits everyone comfortably without breaking the bank can be a real challenge. That's exactly where Azalea comes in. Known for its massive apartment-style service suites, complete with separate living areas and full kitchen facilities, this property is built for group comfort. But does it live up to the hype, and is it worth your vacation budget? In this full tour, we're going to show you the rooms, the rooftop pools, the dining, and give you our honest thoughts on the location. Let's head inside and check it out. Stepping past the main entrance, you're greeted by Azalea's front lobby, and the very first thing you notice is just how bright and airy it feels. Thanks to their massive floor-to-ceiling windows, the entire space is flooded with natural island light. The staff here were incredibly welcoming and efficient, and within just a few minutes, we had our keys in hand and were headed straight up to our room. Let's check out room 566. This is a deluxe double bedroom here at the Azalea in Boracay. So first, let's check out the bathroom here. Your standard bathroom with a single sink. But check this out. They have a bunch of amenities here. I mean, it has like everything you need. So they have a dental kit, shower cap, comb, vanity kit, shaving kit. They have everything in there, so that's pretty nice. And some soap over here and lotion. There's your standard toilet. Bunch of towels up there, and your shower. So there's the shower head right there, and a bunch of products here. So body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Now let's step outside. Let me just close this door real quick. Let's close that door. So this actually has a pretty good sized kitchen. So you have an electric cooktop right here. Water kettle, coffee and tea, the sink right there. And let's see what's in here. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. But up here, they have some pots and pans and a rice cooker. So if you want to cook, you can cook here. Microwave. This pretty large fridge, good sized fridge. And over here in the small closets, we have some hangers, an iron and ironing board. I believe this is a flashlight, some bathrobes, sewing kit, shoe mitt. There's your hair dryer, safe, and a bunch of slippers down there. And some storage shelves over here for our luggage, so put our backpacks here. Small TV, office desk area, and they did provide us some welcome fruit, so that's really nice of them. Small table here, and over here we have the two double beds, and they set up, I believe there was a couch here, but they just set this up as another bed. So if you have 6 people, they can sleep in here. And let's check this out. Can you go outside this balcony? Let me see if it opens up. Yep, it does open up. So we got our view. We just have a view of the other buildings here in Station 2 in Boracay. So overall, pretty nice modern room with, actually I like the kitchen here, so you can cook if you want to cook and save money. But very nice room here at Azalea in Boracay. So let me know what you guys think. Let's check out room 402. This one is a 1-bedroom. So as soon as you walk in, you have the kitchen area here. So it's a fully stocked kitchen with coffee and tea right there with a water kettle. Up here, we have, oh, it doesn't want to open. Does that open on that side? Oh, nothing up there. Some plates and cups and mugs up here. And oh, over here is the pots and pans and a rice cooker. So there's an electric cooktop right there. And over here, we have some more utensils. And the spoon, fork, and knives are in there. There's a single sink, a microwave, and a small fridge. And here's the living room area. So first, let's check out this small dining table for 4. Big screen TV. Another small table here. So this one is a sofa bed, but they turn it into a bed so more people can sleep here. And now let's check out the bathroom. It's over here by the front. Turn the lights on. It's dark in here, but there's a single sink. And over here, there's toothbrushes in here, if I can open it, but this one is, but yeah, there's toothbrushes in there. It's very hard to open it. There's soap and lotion there. Walk-in shower with soap, body wash, shampoo and conditioner. And there's your toilet. Let's check out our view here. So you have a small patio where you can hang your clothes to dry, and just a view of the other buildings here. Now let's check out the bedroom. Look at this very large king-size bed. Actually, this looks bigger than a king-size bed. It's very spacious. It might be, oh yeah, it is just one bed, because sometimes they combine 2 twin beds and make it into one king-size bed. There's a TV with an office desk area here. And small closet with an iron and ironing board, the safe and slippers down there below. And also have another small patio here so you can hang your clothes to dry, and the same views. But yeah, nice 1-bedroom suite here at the Azalea. Let me know if you guys would stay here. Let's check out room 382. This one is a 2-bedroom. So as soon as you walk in, we have this nice dining room area for 4 and a fully stocked kitchen. So we have our coffee and tea right here, electric cooktop, and up here we have, that one is empty. So up here we have some cups and mugs and plates. And over here, we have more utensils, and spoons, forks, and knives are all wrapped up in there. There's the sink. Oh, let's open this up. This one up here has some pots and pans and a rice cooker. There's a microwave and a small fridge. And on this side, you have the cozy living room area with this sofa that transforms into a bed, so if you want to sleep there, you can. And a big screen TV. So let's check out this first bedroom right here. I believe this is the master suite. So there's the king-size bed. There's charging plugs on both sides. This very long desk here if you need to get some work done. TV. And here is the closet with iron and ironing board, hair dryer, safe, and slippers down there below. And let's see what the view is here. I don't think there's much of a view. So there's a small patio here. This door opens up, but you can't really do much because there's really no space to hang out. It's just to dry your clothes, so you can hang it out here. And just views of the other hotel across from us. And let's check out the attached bathroom. So your single sink with some toothbrushes in here, soap and lotion, toilet, and walk-in shower with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. All right, let's step out of this room and check out the next room. Oh, but let's check out this one first. This is the other bathroom. Just your standard bathroom. And now let's check out the second bedroom here. This one has a king size bed, but it's very dark in here. Let me turn the lights on. That very long desk over there. TV, some storage for your luggage, and the small closet with slippers down there below. And I'm sure this has the same view of the other building across from us, and small patio to hang your clothes. So it's a very nice 2-bedroom unit here at Azalea in Boracay. Let's check out room 385. This is a 3-bedroom. So as soon as you walk in, we have this kitchen area with a dining table for 6. And this is a fully stocked kitchen. There's a coffee and tea right there with a water kettle, electric cooking stove, and let's see what's in here. Some utensils, spoons and forks are in here. Let's see, that shelf is empty. There's some storage here, and I believe just the trash bin is under here. And up here we have the cups, plates, and more glasses. And that one is empty. And in here, we have some pots and pans and a rice cooker. There's the microwave and a small fridge. And on this side, we have the cozy living room area with this sofa bed. You can make that flat so you can sleep there if you want to. There's a big screen TV. And let's check out the first bedroom. So this is the master bedroom here. So very spacious king size bed with an office desk area, a small TV, and a closet with iron and ironing board, a safe and slippers down there below, and hair dryer is right there. Let's check out the view. So not much of a view here, just the other hotels in the area. So there are plugs on both sides of the bed so you can charge your devices. And here is the attached bathroom to the master bedroom here. Single sink with all the amenities you need. So that's the cup. This is just a dental kit, but the other rooms have like a bunch of stuff in here, so maybe they haven't restocked it in this room yet. Soap, and this is lotion. So there's your standard toilet and walk-in shower with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash along with soap right there. And there's a clothes hanger here so you can hang your clothes to dry after you hang out in the beach. Now let's check out the second bedroom. So this one has 2 double beds and a little office desk area, small TV, and another closet. This one just has slippers. And now let's check out the third bedroom. This one has a king size bed, and it also has a TV, office desk, and a small closet here with more slippers down there below. Let's see I believe this is, this is another bathroom. So this is the second bathroom here. Just your single sink with a bunch of dental kits, soap and lotion, and another walk-in shower. So yeah, very spacious 3-bedroom villa suite here at the Azalea in Boracay. Very nice space here.
When it comes to dining, Azalea makes it incredibly convenient with their on-site restaurant Kuya J, located right on the ground floor. If you're new to the Philippines or just love local comfort food, Kuya J is a household name here. Famous for serving up classic home-cooked Filipino favorites such as sizzling sisig, crispy pata, and kare-kare.
Check out the rooftop pool deck here on the 6th floor. So there's some great views of the ocean from up here and some loungers. Now let's head down this way. So they have another lounging area up here. If you just walk down this pathway. So yeah, over here, it looks like they used to have a bar set up here, so I'm not sure what's going on there right now. Some dining room tables up here. There's a stage over here, so I guess they have events up here. Some outdoor showers. And there's another smaller pool up here, but it's closed off for now. This looks like it's the kids' pool. And bathroom and more showers are over here. So yeah, it's a pretty nice rooftop pool actually, so you can enjoy it when you stay here at the hotel.
Let's talk about the location, because where you stay in Boracay completely shapes your vacation experience. Azalea sits right on the main road in Station 2, which is widely considered the absolute sweet spot of the entire island. The biggest positive here is convenience. Staying in Station 2 means you are completely central to everything. You're just a short, easy walk away from the mall, which is the island's open-air hub for incredible dining, cafes, souvenir shopping, and local markets. You don't need to worry about constant trike rides or logistics. The best restaurants, lively bars, and tour meeting points are essentially right in your backyard. What we love most about Azalea's location is the balance. Because it sits slightly set back from the sand, you completely escape the loud beachfront nightlife for a quiet night's sleep. But the second you want that world-famous view, you're just a 2-minute stroll from the water. It's truly the best of both worlds. Overall, Azalea Hotels and Residences Boracay really delivers on what it promises. With rates starting at around $65 a night, this is an absolute steal for a modern hotel in such a prime location. You're getting comfortable rooms, an easy 2-minute walk to the beach, and the convenience of being right in the center of Station 2 without the noisy beachfront crowds. If you're traveling with family or a group and want space, comfort, and value, we highly recommend checking this place out. If this tour helped you plan your next Boracay getaway, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest resort walkthroughs. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other hotel tours from all over the world.